First one, let me get the second one. Go ahead.
Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Judge Esparza. I'm going to tell you what your charges are, what your rights are, and what your bond is set at. When you get out of here, you'll have an opportunity to call your family or bondsman to make arrangements to post your bond. Normally, they charge you anywhere from 10 to 15%. It's something that you need to negotiate with the bondsman. I don't have any control over it. The guards don't have any control of it. Behave, don't give the guards a hard time, and everything will go smoothly for you. I'm going to read you your rights real quickly. You have the, and I already read it to the gentleman, but for you females there, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. You have the right to make a statement, knowing anything you say can and will be used against you as evidence, or you can wait till your attorney is present. Do all of you speak English? Yes, you understand your rights? Okay. When I call your name, come on up here. I'll tell you what the charges are and what your bond is set at. First case, Jesse James Reyna. For Jesse James Reyna, Mr. Reyna, you have 3 charges. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, which is a 2nd-degree felony. You have a charge of manufacture and delivery of a controlled substance, which is a 1st-degree felony.
Out there, but there's
There's no sound?
no sound at
Okay.
all.
Well, it'll be on YouTube, so they can hear. And you also have a possession of marijuana charge, which is a Class B misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a 1st-degree felony, you could go to prison for a minimum of 5 years, up to 99 years, and or life. If you're convicted of a 2nd-degree felony, you're looking at minimum of 2 years, up to 20 years, and up to a $10,000 fine. Same thing on the 1st-degree felony, a $10,000 fine. The possession of marijuana charge is a Class B misdemeanor. If you're convicted, you could go to jail for up to 6 months and up to a $2,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir? Again, somebody will interview you from indigent defense. They'll fill out an application. They'll tell you if you qualify. Attorney will contact you. Go ahead and have a seat, sir. Good luck to you. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you your bonds. Bonds on the aggravated assault will be $50,000 cash surety. On the manufacturing delivery charge, $50,000 cash surety. And on the possession of marijuana charge, $2,000 PR. Go ahead and have a seat. Carlos Silva. Get right there, man. so that you can see yourself on the TV. Move back a little. You are Carlos Silva?
Yes, sir.
You speak English?
Yes, sir.
You got two charges, Mr. Silva. Unlawfully carrying a weapon, which is a Class A misdemeanor, and a possession of marijuana charge, which is a Class B misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a Class A misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to a year and up to a $2,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Up to a $4,000 fine. Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir?
Yes, sir.
Bond on the unlawfully carrying a weapon charge will be set at $2,000 cash surety. Bond on the possession of marijuana charge will be $2,000 PR. PR bond means you just need to sign. You don't have to pay any bond on it, okay? Go ahead and have a seat, sir. Good luck to you. Alberto Cerda,
Yes, sir.
speak English?
Yes.
Mr. Cerda, you have a charge of resisting arrest. It's a Class A misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a Class A misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to a year and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you, yes?
Yes, sir.
Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir?
Yes, sir.
The bond will be set at $2,000 cash surety.
And
Back to you, sir.
So you don't have control of the other charge, right?
Sorry?
You don't have control of the other charge? No,
It
it's all-
was in Class C, that's not.
It's a Class C. Somebody will arraign you on that. Jose Salcido?
Yes, sir.
Salcido?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Salcido, you have a charge, you have a warrant actually out of Bear County on a Class A misdemeanor DWI. They are requesting a $3,500 cash surety bond. So I'm gonna set your bond at $3,500. You'll need to contact a bondsman. You have, if you do not make bond, and I didn't see any charges here for you, Bear County has 10 days to come pick you up. They've already been notified since the day you were arrested that you're in custody here. If you bond out, you will have to go out there to take care of it. So get an attorney or call up there to see when you have court.
How much will be my bond right now?
$3,500, $3,500.
2,100?
If bond will come for you within 10 days. I think if they don't, then we'll relook at your bond, revisit the bond. All right, good luck to you, sir. Kevin Torres. Speak English, Mr. Torres?
Sir.
I have a warrant, Mr. Torres, out of Clayburgh County for evading arrest with a vehicle. It's a third-degree felony. They are requesting a $10,000 cash surety bond. You make bond, you need to make arrangements to go out there and take care of this case. If you don't show up, they're gonna issue another warrant, you're gonna end up back in jail. Do you understand?
Sure.
If you do not make bond, they will come for you. They've got 10 days to come pick you up. All right, since the day you were arrested. Good luck to you, sir. Have a seat. David McGee. Speak English, Mr. McGee. You have a warrant also, Mr. McGee, from Fayette County. Possession of controlled substance charge. It's a third-degree felony. They are requesting no bond. So they asked that you be detained until they come for you. I didn't see anything else in Hidalgo County to hold you. So they said they would come and transport you within 10 days. Yeah. If they don't come within the 10 days, we'll revisit your bond. Take a look at your bond. Right now, there's no bond set, so you can't bond out. If they're not here, we'll consider issuing a bond. All right. Carlos Rodriguez. Español, ¿verdad, Carlos? Carlos, usted tiene en orden de arresto de Harris County, un cargo, un delito clase A. La fianza va a ser $2,000 cash surety. Saliendo, pagas la fianza, tienes que ir para allá para arreglar el caso, ¿entiendes? Si no te presentas allá, es posible que ponen otro orden de arresto, ¿ok? ¿Mande?
¿Lo puedo pagar en este condado?
Sí, lo pagas aquí, pero tienes que regresar allá. Okay. Harris County, yeah. You speak English a little bit?
Sí, algo, pero prefiero.
Ellos tienen 10 días, si no pagas la fianza, tienen 10 días para venir para levantarte. Okay? And they'll transport you back. Te llevan para atrás. All right? Toma asiento. Yesenia García. Speak English, Yesenia?
Yes.
You have two charges, possession of controlled substance. One's a third-degree felony, one's a state jail felony. If you're convicted of a third-degree felony, you could go to prison for years up to 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine. If you're convicted of a state jail felony, you could go to prison, minimum of 6 months, up to 2 years, and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney? Bond on each case will be set at $1,500 cash surety, total $3,000. Go ahead and have a seat. Benito Sarion,
Yes, sir.
speak English, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarion, you have a charge of possession of controlled substance. It's a third-degree felony. If you're convicted, you could go to jail, could go to prison, minimum of 2 years up to 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir?
Yes, sir.
Your bond will be set at $1,500 cash surety. Good luck to you, sir. Anthony Contreras. Contreras, you have 3 charges, 2 manufacturing delivery charges, which are first-degree felonies, and you have a possession of controlled substance, which is a Class A misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a first-degree felony, you could go to prison, minimum of 5 years up to 99 years and/or life, and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir? Your bond on the 2 manufacturer delivery charges will be set at $10,000 cash surety each one. Bond on the Class A misdemeanor will be $2,000 PR. Good luck to you, sir. Have a seat. $20,000. Billy Sanchez. Speak English, correct, Ms. Sanchez?
Yes.
You have 2 charges, injury to a child or elderly. It's a a state jail felony. And you have an assault charge, which is a Class A misdemeanor. You also have 2 protective orders that were issued. If you're convicted of a state jail felony, you could go to jail or prison, minimum of 6 months up to 2 years and up to a $10,000 fine. If you're convicted of a Class A misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to a year and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, but the one that I signed, I
I'm not here to fight, you're not here to fight the case. I'm just telling you what the charges are.
I'm letting you know because my son, I've been having trouble with my son. He's already been in the juvenile, he's already been in the behavior. And when we get,
Requesting a court-appointed attorney, ma'am?
huh?
Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney?
Yes,
And
because
when you see your attorney, you discuss the facts with him so he can help you out, okay? I'm not here to defend you. I'm telling you what the charges are that they put against you, okay?
I'm letting you know.
Your bond on the 2 charges will be set at $3,000 cash surety. The protective order that's in place, let's see, 27. Expire on September 29th. What that means is during that, from now till that time, you cannot have any contact with a protected person, which is, one of them is Mario Sanchez, and the other one is Juan Jesus Soto Martinez. You cannot have any contact with those 2 individuals for 61 days. That means you can't call them, text them, not even call them from jail in here, because that'll be a violation of the protective order. You cannot go to the address located at 2321 de la Cruz Street in Mission, Texas. If you go there, you will be arrested. Do you understand that?
That's where I reside. And
Hey, listen to me, listen to me,
already.
listen to me,
That's it.
okay? If you go there, you will be arrested. That's why I'm telling you, talk to your attorney and he can modify this protective order. I told you already, man. You asked me, I asked you if you wanted a court-appointed attorney and you said yes. So one will be appointed to you. When he comes to visit with you, you give him the information and you can explain your charges and the facts of the case to him, and he can help you because he's the one that's gonna represent you. I will not represent you in your case. Do you understand that? Do you understand? All right. Bond will be set at $3,000 cash surety on each charge. Go ahead and have a seat. Graciela Chavez. You speak English, Graciela?
Yes, sir.
You have a charge of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol level of over 0.15, which is a Class A misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a Class A misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to a year and up to a $4,000 fine. Question, court appointed attorney, man?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, man?
I'm a provider for my dad.
You have children? Your bond is gonna be set at $3,000 cash surety. I'm also gonna order an ignition interlock device, which is a device that you have to install on your vehicle. You get out, okay?
I have one of the antibodies.
Still drinking and driving? Okay, if that needs to be, you have a portable one? Okay, well, I'm gonna order one installed on the vehicle. So if you have a vehicle that you drive, whether you own it or not, if you're gonna be driving it, it better have an ignition interlock device in it. With that device, if you're drinking, the car won't turn on and you won't have what happened here, okay? You've got 5 days upon your release to get that device installed in your car. If you don't install it within the 5 days, probation will notify me and will possibly put you back in jail. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Have a seat. Excuse me. Jose Ramones? Where you at? Speak English, correct, Jose? Mr. Ramones, you have a charge of possession of marijuana under 2 ounces, which is a Class B misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a Class B misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to 6 months and up to a $2,000 fine. Do you understand that? Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir?
No, sir.
Oh,
No, I already have.
okay. What is your address, sir? See the mail. Say it again?
13 West Exit.
West, what's the name of the street? Hazel? Okay. In San Juan?
Yes, sir.
And that's where you receive mail?
Yes, sir.
Phone number?
956-321-3888.
3888?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you give them the proper number and address. We'll let you out on a $2,000 PR bond, which is just your signature. They're gonna send the notice of court to that address, so you make sure you show up. Good luck to you, sir.
Sir.
Carlos Flores Ochoa? English, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have a charge of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol level over 0.15, Class A misdemeanor. If you're convicted of a Class A misdemeanor, you could go to jail for up to a year and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm also going to order an ignition interlock device in your vehicle. You'll have 5 days upon release, and they'll give you a copy of the order when you get out of here. Probation will contact you. They'll give you a list of vendors that sell that device, and you'll have 5 days upon release to go get that installed. If you don't get it installed, we're going to bring you back in here and see why you didn't get it.
But I'm not on probation.
Huh?
I'm not on probation.
I know.
But
You're out on bond for a DWI, a Class A misdemeanor, and law requires that you install an ignition interlock device on your car, all right? If you do not have a vehicle, speak with probation and we can make other arrangements, either to get a portable device, but right now I'm ordering an ignition interlock device. Understand that? Bond will be set at $3,000 cash surety.
yes, thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank
Anybody else's name I did not call? Other than the gentleman back here.
Not here. I have a question.
We called everybody, though, didn't we?
Yeah, you got everybody.
The only one, which one?
The last one.
$3,000 cash surety.
So then you just need.
It's jurisdiction. That's what's done. If they want to leave him here and they can take everybody else,
You can take everybody
it's
else.
gonna take a little while.
Oh, okay.
What's your question, sir?
How much is the total bond?
100,000, I believe.
100,000?
100,000.
50/50. The PR, you just sign it, so you don't count that as a bond. How much do I pay? It would,
Talk to your family or talk to a bondsman.
how much it costs you? Almost 1,500, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You just sign it, you don't have to pay.
Bring him to the front.